I'm going to show you how you can create a reel on Instagram, factoring the marketing features that will help you grow your awareness on Instagram while creating a reel. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you are logged into Instagram and look for the plus sign over here and once you select that plus sign, you go to Reel. You want to select Reel right here. Wherever you see it under Create, it might not be on top at times, but you just want to look for Reel. Once you select Reel, you will then get to see your camera roll. You have the opportunity to use your camera to actually shoot a brand new reel. You could go to their clip hub and actually take clips from there. You can also start with a template, or they have an AI feature which is called Made for You. But what we're going to show you here is how you can create your own content in your camera roll that you want to use to market and reach your audience. Some of these features we might use later. So the first thing you want to do then is select the graphic or the video that you want to market. Over here, we're going to select our map listing optimization service, as you can see right here in the middle. Once I select that, it gives me the opportunity to select more, which means I could select 2 clips, 3 clips, more clips. But in this instance, we're just going to select 1 clip because we want to market our map listing optimization service. Now, once I click next, you see what we see here? It shows us the reel timeline. If it's a picture, which is what we're using here, as you can see, it gives us 4 seconds here. So you have the opportunity to make it shorter, as you can see, but at the default for a picture, it gives you 4 seconds. Now we're going to go to next. After going to next, you have the opportunity to customize your reels right on top here, as you can see. You could add text, you could use their stickers, you could add a song, and you could do effects, and you could also download the reel. Also, you could edit the video right here, which has pretty much all these features here. So the first thing we're going to do is actually just select the text feature because we want to market to our audience. So let's select the text feature here. It gives us the opportunity to choose different fonts that might match our brand. We're just going to stick to this main font here. Now we're going to type in service alert. Why? Because we are marketing this service. That's what we're doing here. So go back here and actually put the word alert. Now, as you can see, even if you do not have graphic design skills, you can create content like this. So now I have the opportunity to move the service alert. I can move it up here if I feel that's going to be better, or I could actually move it down here if I feel it's going to be better. Anyway, and you have the opportunity to customize it, which I think is really, really cool. But again, we're focusing on the marketing aspects. So as you can see, I got to just play around with it. So I think I'll do service alert right there where people could see it. Now I have the opportunity to select stickers. This is really wonderful because when you select stickers, they go on your reel and people can actually interact with them. Now, what is very important? If you have a physical located business, if you have a physical location that people come to, this is one of the most important stickers for marketing for you, the location sticker. Why? Because people search on Instagram by locations. People just go there to look for content that's coming from different locations. So it's very important. So in this instance, I'm just going to pick our location right here. And that means now if anybody probably is visiting the Dundee or West Dundee Instagram feed, they have an opportunity most likely to see me. And now in marketing, you totally understand that being discovered is very, very huge. So if you're a physically located business, you want to tag the location. Now, let's say you don't have a physical address. Very simple. I'm going to delete this right here, and that's how you could do that. A way to go about that is just to select the area. So if I just go in location, I could simply pick Chicago. And so this gives me, again, an opportunity to be seen in the Chicagoland area by just putting this here. So people that are going into the Chicagoland feed on Instagram, this gives me a potential to be seen by them, especially if their interest has been in optimizing their presence. So it's very important that if you're doing marketing that you use this sticker. Very important. Now we'll go back to the stickers. After locations, you could caption. So if you're speaking in your video, you could use the captions and it should auto caption for you. You could also add a poll, which is if you do want to ask a question, you could totally do that. So right here, we could say, is Google Business working for you? So now we have our poll in there. And as you can see, we have the opportunity to change the color right there. Is Google Business working for you? So again, you're trying to get people to engage with your reel, and putting stuff like this helps them engage with your reel. Because now if they select no, you might have an opportunity to reach out to them and say, hey, you know what? We can assist you and show you results that we have gotten for our clients on Google Business. So that's why it's important to use these sticker features, especially when you are marketing your reel or using your reel for marketing. Now we're going to go back to the sticker feature. You could do quizzes. And also a fun thing, you could use your GIFs over here. So I could just say marketing just to make it fun. Why? A lot of people like all these effects. And look, we're working on a Google Map service. So all I could do there is just simply select Google. And now I could put that right here so that there's just some animation going on in the post, not to be in the way. And again, if you're not a graphic designer, you see how this can be so easy to do. You could simply just go in here and play with these features with your fingers, and you will have an amazing marketing post.